Hello, I'm Judith. I suffer with Ehlers-Danlos Syndrome, or EDS, and I also have fibromyalgia, so I'm in pain all day and every day, and I also suffer with the dislocations because of the EDS.
Because I can't predict when my hands will go, steering has become an issue.
I've had adaptations fitted to my car, so now I'm building up my confidence to go out by myself, whereas before I wouldn't have done because I'd be too scared to drive anywhere without somebody else in the car. It's given me more confidence that I forgot I had, which is nice. Now that I've got the adaptations, I'm able to travel longer distances by myself, which is so exciting. And I'm like, this is the furthest I've been by myself so far, so I'm just like, I'm on cloud 9 really.
And I can have my independence back.